Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Amazon support about order. So this is one of the fastest ways to get help if you have an issue with an order, a refund, or anything related to your account. Let's jump right in. First, open any web browser on your device and go to amazon.com. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged in or you're signed in into your Amazon account using your email and password. After logging in successfully, you'll land on the home page where you can see your account details and recent activity. Next, hover over the top right corner of the screen and go to account and lists and scroll down and click on your account right here. So this will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage different settings like login info, addresses, and payment methods. Next, scroll down through the page until you find the customer service. Once you see it, go ahead and click on that. This will open Amazon's support tab, which is designed to help you quickly find solutions to common problems. Now, on this page, you'll notice several categories such as your orders, you have returns and refunds, Prime, and more. If your issue fits into one of these, you can select it directly. For example, message and notification settings. So just click on that just like that. But if your concern is not listed, don't worry, just scroll further down and look for the option that says something else. So it's right here. Tap on that. After that, here, pick what you need help with. So you have manage account, gifts and registries, manage subscriptions. Now, what you need to click is click on I need help with something else. So go ahead and select that. This step is important because it tells Amazon that your issue doesn't match the usual categories and that you need more personalized support. So once you click it, a new screen will appear where Amazon will give you options to contact their support team. So if you see an error that says, sorry, it looks like we hit a snag, chat is not available right now, but we have other options for you. How would you like to get help? Just click on connect with an associate. Now, when the chat window opens, you can type your message and clearly explain your concern or question. So here it says use our call me service. So you can put in your number and your country code and just tap on call me now. And within a few moments, an Amazon associate will join the chat or the call and they'll ask questions if needed and guide you step by step to help resolve your issue. So whether it's tracking an order, requesting a refund, or fixing an account problem. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one.